Sending money internationally shouldn't feel like an headache, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you step by step how you can transfer money using the Western Union mobile app or the website. The steps are pretty much the same, whichever option you chooses. We'll go through everything step by step, and I'll try to make the video as straightforward as possible so you can understand whether you are tech savvy or not. You can revisit any section of this video by using the chapters below, or just using the pause button, or just rewind. So with that said, to get started, head over to westernunion.com or use my referral link in the description of this video. When you do so, you support my channel and you get a free $10 gift card of your choice. Now, let's get started. Once you're on the website, again, the link is in the description, you can scroll down and select sign up. Here to create your account, you just need a email address or a mobile phone number, and then you enter your password and then go ahead and select register. If you already have an account, just go ahead and select I already have a profile and then just select login. Once you create your account on the website, you can then use your account to log into the mobile app. It's pretty much the same. So let's head over to the mobile app. Now I do recommend that you use the mobile app because it's just always there on your phone and you can easily log in whenever you're ready to send money again. So go ahead and select login once you have created your account. Enter your email address or phone number and password and go ahead and select remember me so you're always logged in, right? Once you're successfully logged in, scroll down to the section that says send money. Specify how much money you want to send. From the drop down, select your receiving country. So in my case, I'll be sending to Jamaica, and then go ahead and select start this transfer. Now in your case, you'll be adding a new receiver. Here is where you're going to be able to choose the different delivery and payment methods. So by default, the payment method is new debit card. So let's go ahead and select change. And depending on which country you're sending from, you'll see the different payment options that are available to you. So I'll be selecting a debit card that is already on file. In your case, you're going to be filling out your debit card information. Now for the delivery method, you can go ahead and select change. Here you have the option to select a cash pickup. This is where the individual goes in store and pick up the money. This option costs a little bit more. If you notice, the fee is $4.99. And below each of the options, you'll see the cost to send them money. Now the fastest option available to send money is to send it to a debit card or MasterCard. Once you send it to the debit or MasterCard, the money will be available instantly in the recipient's account. So you can send the money to yourself or send it to. So in this case, I'll be sending it to an existing Visa debit card that I have, right? But you choose whatever is best for your case. Then go ahead and select continue to add receiver. Protect yourself from fraud, so ensure you read this information and then select accept. Provide the receiver's first name and last name. Ensure this matches the ID that they'll be using to collect. You can also provide a phone number, which is optional. Now, on this page, the information you provided here is dependent on the delivery method that you chose. Because I selected a debit card, I need to provide the debit card number. Then go ahead and select continue. Then you need to select a purpose for the transfer. Let's say a gift, and then go ahead and select continue. Here you need to specify a source of funds. You need to provide proof where the money is coming from. So let's say savings, and then go ahead and select continue. Now on this page, now you're ready to send off your money. Ensure you review to ensure the information is accurate. Then go ahead and select send now, and voila, your money is being sent. Now depending on your bank, you'll need to authorize your payment method because things are getting now secure, so they want to now to prevent fraudulent transaction. Most banks now require that you authorize the transaction. So this is what is happening on this page. So I need to continue. I need to verify the transaction within 2 minutes. So here in my app, I'm just going to allow the transaction. Now let's head over back to Western Union app, and my money has been successfully sent. Now this is your tracking number that you can use to share with a recipient to track the transaction.